Hello Internet and welcome back to Merchandise Memories. If you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button, as today we are going to find out what's inside the box. If you have any ideas at this point, put them in the comments and see if you are correct. So straight into it, story behind this box. I was working away at the time in Skegness, just down the road from Fantasy Island for those who are interested. And I got a text saying something's been delivered at the house. It's a box with a dinosaur on it. And I'm like, what do you mean it's a box with a dinosaur on it? Why have I been delivered a box with a dinosaur on it? So I got sent some pictures of it and I was like, I don't know why I've been sent a box with a dinosaur on it. So I carried on working and I came home and here we are. Box with a dinosaur on it. I'd completely forgotten about the dinosaur land being opened at Portons Park that I was going to the media day for, and turns out they sent me this. This was their invite to the launch, and this is something I haven't opened in a good couple of years now. I think I haven't opened it since I did the media day, and can't even remember when that is. As you can see, the box is quite dusty where it's been sat on my shelf. But you know, it's one of the coolest things I've ever been given for free from a park. Let's say that. So what we'll do is we'll open the box and we'll have a look. So as you can see in the box is one baby dinosaur egg. So we'll pull it out. You know, can you imagine my surprise when I opened this in a box that's full of like sand, straw stuff, and an egg? And I still, at this point, cannot remember why I am being sent a dinosaur egg. Conveniently, it opens. Ah! And inside is a scroll. So, yeah, it's all still wrapped up. I look after these things, you see. And, you know, and we'll try and open it. There we go, look at that. Portons Park. A park which I happen to love and think easily has potential to be one of the best parks in the country. They need a dark ride though. But anyway, so I open this up and look. Oh. Lost Kingdom exclusive invitation, which is backwards on this camera, but what are you going to do? I shall read it to you in my most posh reading voice. Lost Kingdom exclusive invitation, calling all explorers. You and your family are invited to come and join Portons Park at an exclusive event to mark the opening of our amazing new dinosaur theme park world, the Lost Kingdom. Which means the egg makes more sense, because it's dinosaur egg. Lost Kingdom will transport you 150 million years back in time to when fierce velociraptors, flying pterodactyls and giant triceratops and the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex roamed the earth. You'll be one of the very first to experience the park's, for capital letter there for some reason, breathtaking dinosaur attractions, including two world-class, it doesn't say Vekoma, but they are, including two world-class family roller coasters, Flight of the Petrosaur and Velociraptor, Jurassic-themed family rides, a dinosaur adventure play park, and the Dinosaur Tour Company, 4x4 Jeep Expedition, where you'll come face to face with lifelike moving dinosaurs. And then it has like all the address. And I believe I went on Friday the 6th of May 2016. So I haven't opened this in 4 years. You know, it's got all the hashtags and that, like Lost Kingdom, Portons Park. And I tell you what, from memory, that media day was fantastic. That park knows how to put on a show. Some parks don't. Some parks are sort of just like turn up, take pictures, sod off. They put on like a proper show. They gave us a load of info. I've got a wooden USB stick somewhere that come with all the media packs, so all the videos and things, the trailer for Lost Kingdom, which I believe is on my YouTube channel, which I will link in the description. And I've covered my desk in egg fluff. So yeah, this is the sort of thing that I know is quite common in America, but it's not really that common over here, and it should be. Stuff like this makes you a lot more excited to go and experience something than just an email that says turn up on Friday. Saw the Ride was a lot like that. It was just like turn up on Friday, and then you get there and it's there. Icon, that was another very good one, but I didn't get a free egg. But yeah, Portman's Park really know what they're doing when it comes to PR, thinking about what they make. That park is just beautiful, and I haven't been in a while and I need to go again. But in answer to the original question, what's inside the egg, it was this scroll which invited me to the media day for Land of the Dinosaur, which I highly recommend to those of you who haven't been. Yeah, so this is without question the best thing a park has ever given me for free, because mostly all I ever get is USB sticks, which you can't have enough of in the industry that I work in normally, except for COVID, but whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the answer to the question of what's inside the box, or what could it be. Yeah, so if you haven't already, once again, hit that subscribe button, and we will be back very soon with another random video of either me ranting about the lack of creativity that I believe is currently in the theme park industry, or another merchandise video, or I might just talk about a park that I like. What would you like to see? Pop in the comments, let me know, and I will film me talking utter crap for as long as I can. So once again, thanks for watching, and goodbye.